Can you put ATM machines at special events temporarily? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Hey there, my name is Carey Buck. I've been an independent ATM business owner since 2009, and I've been an ATM business mentor since 2011. That's where I teach people just like you how to start and grow your own profitable ATM business that'll provide you with consistent monthly passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames. Now, why would you want consistent passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames? It's going to be different for everybody, but a lot of folks that watch this channel want to quit their 9-to-5 jobs. They want to fire their boss. They want to take back their time, take back their freedom, right? Then you got the folks that want to supplement their retirement, or perhaps they were not very good at planning their retirement and this is their retirement. Then you got the people that are tired of putting out huge chunks of cash to make a decent ROI. And instead, they want to put out smaller chunks of cash to make a decent ROI. And then you got the folks that want legacy wealth, like generational wealth for their kids and grandkids and great-grandkids. And then you got the people who have a reason that's personal to them, and I don't even know what it is, right? You might check off multiple boxes, and that's okay. But here's the thing. If you'd like to reach your end goal quicker, then I invite you to work with me. And I invite you to go to atmtrainingvideo.com. Better yet, just click the link in the description, all right? You're going to enter your email, and then you're going to hopefully watch that training video on the next page, and then book a call with my team. Together, you guys will figure out if you and I will be a fit to work together. Working with me is going to help you reach that ultimate goal way faster, all right? Now, before we get into this video, two important things we need to do. Three important things we need to do. First, like this video, give me some thumbs ups, please. And then, second, in that corner right over there, there's a silver ATM. Click that so you subscribe to this channel. And the third thing you're going to do is hit that bell notification. Hit that bell, select all. So every time I post a video, you're first to know about it. Okay. So somebody asked me, can I put my ATMs at special events temporarily? Well, the answer to that is, of course you can. That's where the big chunks of cash and small time frames come from. That's the mobile side of the ATM business. And if you ever need a big influx of cash fast, it's the mobile side of the ATM business that you're looking to. Okay, here's the thing. So yes, there's all types of festivals, carnivals, fairs, whatever you want to call them, music fests, restaurant fests, all kinds of special events that go on, throughout the year. And yes, you can put your ATMs in them. Now, you don't really just want to, walk in with your ATM and set it up. You don't want to do that, right? That's a good way to get kicked out and never invited back, right? But instead, you want to reach out to them, develop some kind of rapport and offer your services, right? And then sign a contract, right? It's a temporary deployment contract. Okay. But yes, you can do that for special events temporarily. So maybe it's just an event for a day. Maybe it's an event for a weekend. Maybe it's an event for a week, maybe for 2 weeks, right? Maybe this is a perfect example. So we do all kinds of events, right? We do this 5.5 hour event every year, makes us about $3-4 grand for 5.5 hours, right? That's what I'm talking about. Big chunks of cash in small time frames. We've done this tattoo event. It was like 3 days, made $9 grand. $9 grand. Yeah. It's like a carnival fair type thing that goes 5 days, I believe. No, 6 days. 6 days. And that's probably about $4,000, $5,000, right? But again, with these carnivals and fairs, they're not like all day long. That's like from 6 to 10 or something, you know what I mean? But this is where the big chunks of cash is I'm talking about, right? Big chunks of cash in small time frames. Like the putting the ATMs in local businesses, that's the consistent monthly passive income. Like clockwork, that's coming in over and over and over. But then you add on top of that this influx of huge chunks of cash in small time frames. Like that's huge to grow your business, right? And then when you get your business to the point where you're fine with it, you don't need to grow it anymore. Well, then that's huge to when you get those big chunks of cash to invest in other things. Maybe invest in real estate, maybe invest into another business, maybe buy a house, buy a car, whatever, right? We did a bunch of events in 2019, and our sole purpose was to use it as closing costs when we bought this house at the beach. It was like $50-something thousand in closing costs for this house, something like that. And it came from us doing ATM events, right? The big chunks of cash in small time frames, right? So once you have your ATM business where you want it, use those big chunks of cash in small time frames to invest in other things and keep making that money grow for you, or buy a house, buy a car, whatever, right? You want to use your assets, like your ATM business, to buy the things you want in life, right? You don't want your 9-to-5 job to pay for those things. You want your assets to pay for those things, right? So yes, you can put ATMs at temporary deployments to special events. And here's the thing. So I'm gonna show you. So you know how I am, right? I give you the real deal. I don't bullshit you, right? So when you put ATMs, I'm gonna call these permanent. When you put these ATMs in local businesses, I'll do that, local biz. The average run-of-the-mill location is gonna make you somewhere between $300 to $600 a month, okay? I know that doesn't excite you guys a lot, but it should. Because here's the thing, this is why it should excite you. I'm gonna do a video especially for this. $300 to $600 a month. Average, right? You can have machines that make you more than that. You can have machines that make you less than that, right? The ones that make you less, you're gonna have to decide whether you want to keep them there or you want to pick them up and move them. The ones that make you more than that, of course, you're gonna do a nice little dance, a little happy dance, right? I don't know what the hell that was I just did, but you're gonna be excited and you're gonna keep that there, right? But this is the average, okay? $300 to $600 a month. Okay, real side note, just a side note, okay? Real quick before I get into the rest of this. If you're thinking to yourself, Karen, $300 to $600 a month, that sucks. I'm gonna ask you this. Let's say you have $2,000 inside this ATM that's making you $300 to $600 a month. Say right in the middle, it's making what, $450. All right, you know what? Let's make math easy. Let's say it's making you $400. Okay, I don't want to make it easy on myself. Let's make you $400 a month, and you have $2,000 in your machine. That $2,000 that's in your ATM machine is making you $400 a month. Is that sinking in yet? How much would that $2,000 make you if you put it in your bank account? 0.0000001 cent, right? This is a big deal. This is consistently coming in, and you're not just gonna have one ATM. You're not just gonna have one ATM. You're gonna have 5. You're gonna have 10. You're gonna have 20. Whatever it is, right? And they're not all just gonna make you $400 a month, right? Like I said, we got a handful that make over $1,000 a month. Okay. Then we got ones that are average. Then we got some that, not that great. Those are the ones you pick up and move. Unless, I'll tell you this is why one of them that's not that great we keep. Because it's literally right down the street from one. That's the one that does really, really well. And, it's got, I don't know, whatever it's got in it. And it's just better return than I could get if I put it in a bank. You know what I mean? And it's convenient because I fill this other one. So it's just convenient. I just keep that money coming in as a decent return, So anyways, average $300 to $600 a month when you put them in local businesses. But here we go. You ready for this? When you do mobile, and this is the special events, right? Oh my God, I can't spell it. MOBILE. Mobile. So special events. I got the worst handwriting. Okay, when you do them, you can make an average of $500 to $2,000 per event. This is per ATM. This is per event. Right? So you could have one ATM there that's making you $500, one ATM there that's making you $2,000. You can have 4 ATMs there that's making you, well, you wouldn't have 4 ATMs for an event that's making you $500. Maybe you have 4 ATMs for an event that's making you like $9,000, like we did that one event, right? But the average event will make you somewhere between $500 to $2,000. Of course, you're gonna have events that make you more than $2,000. Of course, you're gonna have events that make you less than $500, okay? But this is all made quickly, small time frames. So big chunks of cash in small time frames, right? Maybe it's a 5-hour event. Maybe it's a day event, a weekend event, a week, right? Whatever that is. You get the difference, right? These are huge. There's a huge influx of cash for you. Okay? So, yes, you can put ATMs at special events temporarily. I highly, highly, highly encourage it. With my training, I teach you both, right? This is my hybrid ATM system. Both of these, right? This is awesome for passive income. I love it, right? This is great. Remember, when your passive income exceeds your expenses, that's financial freedom, right? So we all want this to achieve the financial freedom, right? But this is like free cash, right? This is the influx of cash that you can use to invest in more of your ATM business. If your ATM business is already where you want it to be, you can use this influx of cash that you're going to get from events to invest in real estate, to invest in crypto, to invest in stocks, to buy your house, to buy a car, go on vacations, whatever you want. But this will be your bread and butter that pays all your bills. And this is for everything else, right? Do whatever else you want with it. Keep growing that money and maybe grow some, spend some, right? But yes, I highly encourage you to take your ATMs and get them set up at special events like carnivals, festivals, and fairs. Okay? You will not regret it. You won't regret it. I promise. I promise. I promise. I promise. Right? You're gonna love this. Okay? You got any questions about this? Any questions about the special events, mobile, or this? Post them below. All right? Don't forget to give me some thumbs ups, some likes. Don't forget to click that ATM in the corner, silver ATM, subscribe to this channel, hit that bell notification, select all, so every time I post a video, you're first to know about it. And again, if you'd like me to help you, right, I can help you with the permanent placement side of your business, and I most certainly can help you with the mobile side of your business, right? I can help you get all of this set up. I can help you reach your end goal quicker, right? If you want me to help you, just click the link in the description below, enter your email, then watch the training video on the next page, but then book a call with my team. Together, you guys will figure out if you and I will be a fit to work together. All right. Again, questions, post them below. Ideas for future videos, post them below. I will talk to you soon. You have a great day, and may you live happily off of passive income. Hey, Carey Buck here. I hope you enjoyed that last video. If you got any questions or comments or even ideas for future videos, just post that below, okay? And do me a big favor. If you have not done so already, give me some thumbs up, some likes for this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification and select always